Hello, this is Spotmentor, and in this video we are going to study about vectors and scalars through their very common examples like distance and displacements. So let's first define them. So distance, as we know, is the length of actual path covered by the particle, but displacement is the shortest distance between the initial and final point of the particle. So let me show that diagrammatically to you. So if this is the path covered by the particle to reach this final point, so if we calculate the actual length of the path that is covered by the particle, that will give you the distance covered by the particle to reach from this point to this point. But if you just join the initial and final points by a straight line, that will be the shortest distance between the initial and final point. That will give you the displacement of the particle. One basic difference between distance and displacement is there is no definite direction in which the motion is there while calculating distance, but while calculating displacement you can see there is a definite direction. So we can say the distance is a scalar quantity but displacement is a vector quantity. Since the displacement is the shortest distance, so we can say the displacement will always be less than or equal to distance. Let's understand this distance and displacement concept through an example. So here in this question there is a certain path of an object given to us and we have to find the distance and displacement. Let's show that diagrammatically. So here I have shown all the four directions, north, south, east, west, and the particle initially is moving towards west and then turns right and moves another 10 meters towards north. So these are the two segments of the distance that is covered by the particle. But if you have to find the displacement, you just have to join these 2 points. Now first to talk of distance, the total path that is covered by the particle is along this line. So we can say the distance will simply be equal to 10 meters plus 10 meters, and it has no definite direction. Now for displacement from Pythagoras theorem you can simply say it will be equal to root over opposite square plus adjacent square, because we have to find the value of hypotenuse. That comes out to be 10 root 2 meters. So that is the displacement of the particle from initial point to the final point. And also you can see there is a definite direction in which the displacement is occurring. So in this video we learned the basics of distance and displacement and how we can represent it diagrammatically in a coordinate axis. Thank you.